The calmness of mind is the most beautiful jewel of wisdom. Let's meet Kanchan Kapoor, who walks the path of mediator, healer, space holder, access consciousness practitioner, who's devoted to the path to bring us back home to ourselves once again. Through practices of stillness, breathwork, and meditation, she helps us to find the divine power within and also helping so many out there to learn such practices for a better life ahead. Gratitude is the heartbeat of her journey that softens the edge and opens the path of grace. She also works with the power of mirror work and affirmation, such tools which help us find ourselves all over again. In all that she offers, her biggest intention is to rise from above, find love, self peace, and remembrance, and let the magic begin. Because after all, they say, when you get into the art of meditation, you eventually find the real you. So let's meet the real Kanchan Kapoor today. Hi, Kanchan. Thank you so much for joining me on my series From the Heart today. It's a pleasure to have a beautiful person like you join me.
Thank you so much.
So, tell me something, Kanchan. In this fast paced running life, each one of us is going in a different direction. We want something else from life, everybody. But then there comes a moment when you really need to pause and think that, where we are heading to, why we are heading to that place, what is our final destination. So, in your life journey, what was that moment when you just felt that it's time to just pause, think, and maybe redirect your path all over again? So, tell us.
So for me, that moment came definitely when my father passed away in COVID, and I was seeing so many deaths happening around me, hearing news every day. We were hearing news about, you know, this person has died. Somebody closer to you, somebody far away. People I have seen. The whole family is vanishing at that time, or maybe just the kids have left, and both the parents have gone. And then, oh my God, it was such a, uh, you know, it was very disheartening.
Okay.
And it felt like, where are we living?
Where are
This
we?
is not. This is not where, this is not the same place. Like I तो really felt like कि जब जैसे movies में देखते हैं, some destruction has happened, and
True.
you are seeing all the roads are empty, and all the, you remember those times, and it's very
It's
terrifying.
very terrifying. Yeah. Even the thought of it, even today,
Even the thought of it.
sometimes. Yeah, yeah.
We were locked in our houses. Oh my God, it was a very
So
bad
COVID
time.
was the biggest changing point in your life.
COVID was the biggest change because I started, with this book called Secrets. Everybody knows about Secrets by Rhonda Byrne. And I just joined these classes where this book reading was happening. It opened up, a lot for me.
A lot, yeah.
It was like a, I would say, turning point, because I was doing meditation for like 10-15 minutes after doing my yoga.
Okay.
So it inculcated stillness in me. It has started. It has sparked that fire in me.
Okay.
Where I got to know the benefits of being still.
Being still. Okay.
So then I joined these classes. I started with this book reading, and it opened something in me.
Okay.
Then I started going to spiritual classes.
Okay.
And where I got to know, I got introduced to our karmic choices.
Okay.
And about how our soul is a creator.
Okay.
How we choose our parents, how we choose everybody, whoever we are meeting on the streets,
Is our
our
choice.
staff,
Okay.
everybody.
Okay.
Everybody, we have already chosen it.
Okay.
And these are the contributors in our life
Okay.
who will, who will make us experience the life lessons of our soul's life lessons.
Okay.
This happened, and then after my father's passing, uh, it shaken my world.
Okay. So tell me something after your father. I'm sure because we've both experienced this.
Yes.
Healing out of one of the biggest grief of your life is never easy.
Yeah.
And you're always looking for answers, and there is always the biggest question: why me? So how did you learn to eventually heal yourself and eventually transform your pain into something so beautiful that you're doing today? Because I'm sure even with every modality,
Yes.
you're healing yourself every day.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what was that?
So as I told you, after my father passed away in COVID, like he was a very fit man.
Okay.
He used to take medicine just for acidity
Okay.
and nothing else.
Oh.
He was, he was a strong personality, and I've never seen him fallen sick also. It was very difficult for him to, uh, sit in a room locking himself in COVID. And within 14 days, my world changed. I didn't even meet my father during that period of time.
Yeah.
He was in the hospital. I didn't even, spoke to him because he was not in that state.
Yeah.
So it was very shocking for me, for us, for all of us. And I realized life is so unpredictable. How things changes simply in a second.
Absolutely.
And then I decided to be very strong.
Yeah.
I thought I'm very strong.
Yeah. We
You
think,
know,
but
yes,
we are not.
Yes. So my father, as I told you, was a very strong personality. So I think I thought I've taken it from
Yeah.
him, and
Yeah.
I was just suppressing my emotions. And one fine day, the anxiety started, and your body shows.
Absolutely.
It gives you signals
Yes.
that something is wrong. You have to take it out. We are holding a lot of grief, resentments, and guilts, anger, fear, so many things we are holding in our bodies. And then body shows in the form of aches and pains,
Absolutely.
anxiety, depression.
Yes.
But yes, I would say I was strong because
Yeah.
I decided I am not going to take the medicines.
Okay.
I rather chose the path of spirituality
How nice.
because it was already growing inside me.
Inside you.
And one fine day, I got to know about Anapanasati Dhyan, and I
Okay.
sat because मेरा कहीं
With
मन
you.
ही नहीं लग
मन
रहा
नहीं
था.
लग रहा था, yeah.
And especially it was Diwali time.
Oh. Yeah.
And I was definitely I was missing that part. I was missing that.
No celebrations
yes,
or
no
celebrations after you
celebration.
lose
Yeah.
a loved one. Yeah.
And I decided to sit in meditation क्योंकि मैं वो 10-15 minutes भी नहीं बैठ पा रही थी.
Your mind was so unsettled.
My mind was very unsettled, and something was bothering from me, from inside.
Okay.
And then I got to know about this Anapanasati Dhyan, and I sat. And the moment I sat, I went into that state of meditation, into trance.
Okay.
And
Felt peace.
Felt peace. Peace is one thing, and then I experienced something different.
Okay.
Those experiences are totally divine.
Divine.
And
They say na sometimes the worst lessons in life give you the biggest learnings.
No, I really, I often say this, that my father is the reason for my spirituality.
Wow.
Because, sometimes when you start finding answers, you start asking. You start asking questions to universe. He gave you answers like this.
He
in
was
the
a guiding
form of-
angel.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. For me, for my mother, she's also into spirituality. My sister also.
nice.
So, like in some or the other way, like my brother, like everybody is following something or the,
Something. It's so important.
It is very
to
important.
hold on to maybe a ritual, a practice, a faith. anything that
Yes.
helps you be a stronger version
Yes.
of you. Yeah.
And it has definitely made all of us peaceful, and
Peaceful,
calmer,
calmer.
and you know, the judgment started fading away.
Absolutely.
That was the beautiful part, the better understanding of life. And then there is no stopping.
There is no stopping.
The divine showed me the way, and I totally surrendered.
How lovely. That
Yeah.
is so beautiful, Kanchan. And may you keep exploring, keep learning,
Yes.
finding new modalities every day. And I'm sure in every part of you, you're healing, you're becoming a better version, but you're
course.
also helping so many other people heal. So more power to you for
Thank
this.
you so much.
And thank you for joining me today. You make me believe that it is so important sometimes to just sit in that stillness
Yes.
and find the universe within.
Right.
Because once we do that, that's when we find the answers for so many complexities
Absolutely.
and insecurities within us.
Totally.
So more power to you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.